literature is done. Literature chapters are done. So you can keep your literature book at home. From tomorrow onwards, you can bring your supplementary reader. Okay, because from supplementary reader, there are 2 chapters to be done. So we will be starting, because today I plan to start supplementary, but I thought my students would not be having book. So it's better that you bring your book tomorrow of supplementary and we will be starting from there. Okay. And today I have planned to teach you grammar. Okay. So for grammar, I require that you all should be very much attentive, clear, because these rules are going to be repeated not only in this class, these rules are going to be repeated in your next class also, 8th also, 9th also, and 10th also. So do all these work very, very carefully. Okay. So today I have planned to teach you voice. That voice will be of interrogative kind. Because simple voice you have done. Simple voice you have already done. But today I will be teaching you voice of interrogative kind. So for that, you all be attentive. Okay. Take out your rough notebooks and start writing. First of all, try to recall the rules of present, because we have done simple rules. We have done simple rules or not? We have done, but now we are going to do only interrogative today. Okay. So in simple, for example, present indefinite is given. So try to recall that rule. What do we use in present indefinite? Okay, first form and okay, S or ES, and sometime only first. So first of all, try to recall the rules of these tenses. Only then you will be able to recall these active passive rules. Afterwards, when your base will be strong, then you'll be able to understand that voices of interrogative, advanced rules. Okay. Now past and definite. All of you participate. Don't sit like dummies in my class. Past indefinite. Second form. Second form. Only one boy is talking. His name is, last one, your name is? Huh? Hardik? Hardik Uppal? Okay, you are Hardik Uppal. You can keep this mask like that and you can talk, because in this way, teacher will not be able to identify that who is talking. But bache, if you are smart, we people are over smart. We are your teachers. Daily I'm noticing this thing, daily. But today I pointed out. So what is the rule of future indefinite? Okay. Will, shall plus verb first. So when you change active into passive, what do you do? When verb first form S and ES is given, what do you do? You write down is, am, are plus third form plus by. I love my parents. My parents are loved by me. He published this book. So how will you change active into passive? So when past is given, then was, were plus third form, then by. And when we have future indefinite, will, shall plus verb first form is given, then will be, shall be, verb third form plus by. These 3 rules we have done, I think 2-3 times. But today I will be telling you interrogative kind. But today I will be telling you, one is still whispering in my class. Hardik Uppal, you go at last. So, bache, write down these rules. Try to revise it thoroughly. Afterwards, I'm going to give you sentences of interrogative kind. So these three rules are clear to you. Shall I move further? You are able to recall? We have done it 2-3 times earlier also. I wrote here so that you can revise it. You can recall. But today my focus will be only on interrogative. Okay? So the next is, do you love me? First, that I have taken from indefinite only. Do you teach her? Does he buy a book? Does he buy a book? One of the student is typing, board is not clear. Is it? Akshita has written, ma'am, board is not visible. Other students tell me, board is visible or not? Only for Akshita, board is not visible. What about others? Now it is fully visible. Now it is fully visible. Okay. Only one is whispering. Please help me to find out who is whispering. Huh? Wait. Sameer. Okay. Yeah, this one you come here. Now it will be crystal clear. Now the noise is coming or not, because you people are so lucky having a mask and in between you can talk. So note down all these questions and we will be discussing all these answers in class. Okay? Start writing. Written these questions? Okay. So for solving first three sentences, listen carefully. How will you be solving these first three sentences? When I have discussed with you the rule of present indefinite, what thing I told you? What was the rule? When you want to change active to passive, it means whenever first form is given or first form or s or es is given and it is given in active voice and you want to change into passive voice, what rule you will be following is am, are. So this is a very simple rule. You all are able to learn this rule. So speak this rule 5 times and try to keep it in your mind. Now this rule is clear. I would be going very slow because if your foundation is strong, if you know these rules, only then you'll be able to move further in active passive. Because these rules will be repeated in your next classes also till 10th. Okay. So if this rule is clear, so keep this rule in your mind that today we are going to do interrogative. So in interrogative, is, am, are, it will be written in the beginning. As do and does, it has written in the beginning. Question mark is there. So which kind of sentences are asked? Interrogative. Okay. So when you are going to solve these question sentences into passive form, so it will remain in the question form. But is, am, are, it will be written in the beginning. Then subject, then verb third form, then by. Now try to solve in your notebook. You people will be calling, I will be calling you people to write on the blackboard. So I am going to take round. You solve on your notebooks only first three sentences. Try to do. I'm going to take a round and see, and online students, you all keep your cameras on. Only first three. And your camera should be towards your notebook. Your notebook should be visible to me. And in offline students, I'm going to take a round and see what the people are writing. Whether do wrong or right, but you try to do. Yes, Akshita, very good. Shreya, I don't want to see your face. I want to see your notebook. Your camera should be towards your notebook, as Akshita is doing. Yes, Vaibhav, good. Start doing. You are not keeping your cameras on. Okay, now Arpita, your notebook should be visible. Keep your camera towards your notebook. Okay, Rivya, you come and do first one. Write down your answer here. Very good. Very nice. Am I loved by you? Because with I, we are supposed to use I. Sorry, with I, we are supposed to use am. So this am, it is a question form. So am will be written first, then I. Then third form by, you will remain, you will change into you, and question mark will also remain same. Clear? So this is your right answer. Okay. Now, next one, Nandini, you do. Teached is the right word. Tell me. Teach past tense is? Speak it 5 times. What is the past tense of teach? Huh? So you make it correct. Do you teach her? Her will be changed into? Why have you written am I here? Do you think? Because here me was written. So me has changed into I. So here her is given. Her will be changed into? Tell me. She. So write down she here. यहाँ पे लिखो she. So with she we use is, am or are. Now see. What did you write and what is the right answer? Now her answer is right? No? Who will make it right? Here me, why me will come? So you will change it into? You will change into me? He changes into? She changes into? It changes into? It. We change into? Us. And you change into? Is she taught by? Now her answer is right. Now you got it? What you were writing and what is the right answer? Because you were not following rules. You were not applying rules. You were doing it blindly without thinking. Now sit down and revise the rules. Whenever we are given first form or S or ES, we are supposed to change into active to passive. We will be changing, we will be writing is, am, are. So it is very obvious that with I we use am, with he, she, it, is, with you, we, they and plurals, we use are. So do you love me? So me has changed into I. With I will be using here her. Her changes into, with she you will be using is, them, are, you will be using is. So like in the same way. Now who is going to solve third? This girl. Your name is Jasleen. See, first of all, you have to make subject into object and object into subject. So here, what is object? So here, a book will be considered as a subject. So what do you think? Her answer is correct? Because she has done so nicely, she has picked up a object, and object will change into. So with a book, you are supposed to use is, am, or are, is. So a book, with a book, we will be using is. Is a book. By third form will be bought. Is a book bought by him? Am I clear? Now these three rules are clear. These three sentences are clear. Now I am going to make you do WH kind of sentences. Whenever we are given WH kind of sentences, how also comes in that category. So what is the rule that you have to follow? Okay. When, why, where, how. These interrogative words, they will remain same. After that, you will be adding helping verb. What are helping verbs? In this case, is, am, are. You will be writing WH first of all, then is, am, and are. Clear? Am I clear? For example, when do you take the test? When do you take the test? When is the test taken by you? Clear? When is the test taken by you? Now try to do this. Try to do these 4th, 5th, 6th sentence. I'm going to take a round and see. Do it in your notebooks. WH, this interrogative word will remain same. After that, you will be writing helping verb. After that, you will be writing helping verb. Then same rule, third form, by. Clear? Try to do. Let me take a round and see what you people are writing. Online students, keep your cameras on. Next we have, when do you write poems? When do you write poems? Arshia, you come and do. When do you write poem? C. Good, very good. When is written, you will be copying same interrogative word. Afterwards, you are supposed to use helping verb. So, what is the object here? So, with the poems, you will be using is, am, or are. So, here helping verb will be written there. Then poems. When are poems? Then right third form will be written. Written by you. Am I clear? Okay. Now next, Harman, you come and do. Okay, Harman, I just want to ask you one thing. Today we are going to do which rule? Present or past? Why does he abuse him? Why is he abused by him? His answer is right. So why were you writing was there? Does denotes present tense. Does denotes present tense now. So for present tense, you are supposed to write down is. Why is he abused by him? Clear? Okay, now next. Next, that girl, come. Very good, very nice. So where do you see him? Where is he seen by you? Very nice. It means this concept is clear. So next, I'm going to call this first boy. Hurry up, come fast. How do you recognize him? Why are you telling him answer? These sentences you'll be doing in your fair notebook also. Today you have solved it in your rough. So I'm giving you this as a homework. You do these sentences in your fair notebook. Write down homework. Do same sentences in your fair. Yes, rules also. Hurry up. Your name is Hemant. How you have copied? With how you will be using helping verb for him? Which helping verb will you be writing? Is, am or are? Tell me. Is, then write down. Him will be changed into her. सुन लो. Him will be changed into, write down he. Recognize third form will be, write down. Sit down. How do you recognize him? How is he recognized by? Because you will change into you. How is he recognized by you? Clear? So you have to do these sentences in your fair note. Okay? Arpita, Janvi, Mitul, Shriya, Vaibhav.